Alright, so welcome to How to Dino. In this video, we're going to cover the new and upcoming feature, Dinocoins. Before I get started, I do want to add that Dinocoins does not have any cash value. It's not any sort of crypto or anything. It's essentially just a global economy. So once this feature rolls out, any server that has the Dino bot active will have this feature enabled by default. But server admins or server owners do have the option to disable this if they do not want it running in their server. So essentially, what is this new Dinocoins feature? With this, you'll be able to earn Dinocoins using the daily command, the work command, and there's some other ways you can also earn coins as well. Let's get into the daily command. Essentially, this is the command you can run every day to receive your base reward, which is going to be 100 coins. For regular users running the command, you will have an extra step, which is just clicking on a magic link. That magic link will direct you to the Dino website, and from there you can claim your coins. For users that are a Dino member, you'll essentially skip that process and just have your coins automatically be added. Now, I know I mentioned the Dino member, but I don't think I've ever covered that. Dino members are a new thing, relatively new. If you go to dino.gg website, click on this Get Premium button here, you'll have this tab here for membership. These are the membership plans. So there's 3 tiers here. The Dino member, you essentially just have to be in one of these tiers. These have its own perks, but in addition to the Dino coin system, when you run your daily command, you will receive an additional bonus. So you'll have your base reward of 100 coins, plus depending on what tier you're on, you'll receive an additional coin amount there. But for members within a tier, all you'll have to do is just run the daily command and everything will just be added to your account. With the daily command, you'll also have a daily streak system. So for those of you guys that run this command consecutively, you'll be able to earn an additional bonus that way. After about 10 days, I think that's the maximum daily streak you can have. With this streak system, you'll be able to earn a little bit of a bonus, so you'll be able to stack some of these rewards, especially if you have a Dino membership. So what if I need more coins? So if the daily command is not giving you enough, you need to earn a lot more coins, you do have the option to use the work command, which essentially works the same way as the daily command. Difference here is when you run the command, you'll again receive that magic link to the Dino website, and then from there you just have to watch a short video, and then once you're done with the video, you'll receive your coins. And that's essentially how the work command works. You just do that and you can earn additional coins that way. So I know I've talked about how to earn coins, but how do you exactly spend them? What do you spend them on? So with this whole system, an additional little new thing that's coming out with this is Dino cards. This is going to be essentially like a collectible card game where you'll also have some strategy behind it, because behind the Dino cards, you'll be able to have battles and earn coins that way. And there's some other cool stuff behind the whole card system. So I won't get too much into that, but I will say I mentioned those 2 ways to earn coins. The other way is actually by battling. So with this card system, you'll get random cards, but when you buy them, they'll have like their own strengths and stuff like that. From that, you'll be able to build up your deck. Once you have a full deck, you'll be able to battle players. And with that, whenever you battle someone and you win, you do collect coins that way as well. And if you have duplicate cards, you can also merge them. So there's a lot of other little features baked into the Dino coin system. You have the new Dino cards, and all of this is all tied to that new economy system that's going to be coming out. So I will show you the commands in action once everything is officially released. But this is just a little spoiler video for those of you guys that wanted to learn a little bit more about this new system. So stay up to date. Join the Dino Discord server to stay up to date with the latest, of course. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.